Own a Shopify store? Are you looking for more unique products at the lowest price in the market, faster shipping, and don't want to waste precious time figuring it all out? Introducing Rayjon Connect. More products to offer your customers at the lowest prices in the market. You will make 50% plus margins on the products that you sell and offer the quickest delivery to your customers. Create, add, and sync on-demand products using the Rayjon Connect app with your Shopify store and start making money now. When a customer buys a product on your store, the order is automatically sent to us. We will fulfill and ship it to them, to your customers. You get control over your profit. We charge to cover the production, you set your retail price, and what's left is your profit. Different plan options to maximize your profits. Free design templates. Get creative with our product generator. Best product selection and lowest cost than any other print-on-demand app. Connecting Rayjon Connect with Shopify Store is easy. 1. Create a Shopify account. 2. Click the Add App button through the Shopify app and follow the steps. This should take less than a minute. Create, add, and sync on-demand products. Set up your billing and shipping, and you're done.